Curvy Printer, Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today's going to be a vlog day. I'm actually vlogging mainly, I shouldn't say mainly, I love to vlog, but it's because I got the DJI Osmo, so I am definitely trying to test it out to its fullest capabilities and trying to figure out how much I love it before I decide to keep it or not. I do have a Canon G7X that I normally use for vlogging, so that's kind of why I'm even having the option of if I should or if I should keep it or not. But anyways, I did want to start off the day with setting up my planner. I do have to do like my makeup and stuff just to look a little bit like more presentable, but I don't necessarily like have to. I also have to catch up on my daily section. So this right here, today's Friday and I haven't filled out Thursday for yesterday. Yesterday wasn't busy, but it was kind of like a med day, like we're doing stuff, but like we also have to, I don't know. I was just kind of like lazy if I'm being honest, but I want to fill out my planner and then after that, I'm going to do my makeup and then I have to get started. So I will talk to you in a bit and get the vlog started.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through.
Alright, you guys, so that is the makeup look for today. It's pretty simple. I didn't really do much, but I figured I might as well do it now since I'm obviously vlogging and also since we're going to go to the movies later. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later. I'm going to actually have a couple of things to do for work and then I will probably talk to y'all during like my lunchtime. So let me actually show you all my little planner setup so far. I did do the daily with you all. I'll speed it up though because it like takes me a while, but this is what it looks like. You know, kind of the same layout that I've been following, nothing special. And then this is what today looks like. So I just have some appointments throughout the day. I have some things to do and then that's pretty much it. And then after work, we're going to go to the movies. So, but we're not going to go till I think later on. So I think we're going to have dinner here at home and then we'll go to the movies. I think it's like at 7. I don't remember, but I'll make sure to confirm with Matthew. I think he put it on the calendar actually. Check here. Yeah, 6:30. So we're gonna watch Heart Eyes. He said there's really good reviews on it, so hopefully it's a good movie. But yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey guys, so I changed because I kind of felt like uncomfy in the other shirt. I don't know why, but I felt uncomfy. I felt like, honestly, it was like too tight around the arms. So it was kind of like, I felt constricted. So I changed. I got this top yesterday. I really like it, but I wanted to show you all because I've been I was telling Matthew that I wanted to work on like how I'm dressing and just dress up a little bit more, I guess. So I put on these pants. They're kind of like, I guess you can say like dress pants, but they're kind of like casual at the same time. I don't know. And then I just put this top on and I dressed it up with some gold jewelry, pretty simple, and that's what I'm wearing now instead of that pink top that I was wearing. So I think the pink top, which is also like, it was too short because it was supposed to be kind of like a crop top and that was bothering me. So we changed it out and now this is where we're at. So I just wanted to update you all. I just had lunch and my lunch is actually about to be over. I have like 10 more minutes left and then I'm back to work. But thankfully I don't have a busy afternoon, so that's really good. And then we're done for the week, and then the weekend comes. So I did want to update you all. So far, I did go ahead. Currently, we're about to get off of work, so I only have a couple minutes left. So I did all of these little tasks. So that's been completed. And then the other thing is the video. I went ahead. I recorded an unboxing for the DJI camera. So I did record that. I did edit it. I uploaded it. I still need to do a thumbnail and post it. So we're pretty much closer. And then the other thing I did is I posted on Instagram. I'm trying to post daily on Instagram. Like, it can be like a little something. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. I'm actually trying to make like a little comeback. So lately I've been posting. So I posted this 5 days ago, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 2, and then this was yesterday and today. So I've been posting constantly. I've been posting regularly. So I just posted a quick little just carousel of pictures. I even posted a picture of myself. Like, who am I? I can't believe I did that. But yeah, we're trying to make a little comeback on Instagram. So if you don't follow me, please follow me. My account, it's the Curvy Planner. I'll link it down below if you are wanting to follow me. But yeah, that's where we're at. And then here pretty soon we're gonna have dinner, which I should add here. So let me add dinner and then movies. Cool. So that's all we're gonna do. I wanted to ask Matthew if he wanted to go to Target after the movies, but I will find that out. If we do, then I'll definitely bring you all along, and you know, I can record a little bit, some footage there.
You ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need.
Okay, so we are headed out to the movies. I just got off of work. It's literally like 5:45, right, Matthew?
Something like that, yeah.
Hi, Matthew.
Hello.
You fit. I'm pretty excited about this camera. We're about to head out to the movies, and yeah, what are we watching?
Hard Ice.
Heart Eyes. Apparently it has really good reviews, so we'll see about that.
We can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace.
It's huge. Matthew, we can see our butt cheeks.
Don't record that.
Why not?
Wait, that.
Let's go.
Because that's not usable.
Yeah, watch me. I will use it. I swear I felt the drizzle. Wait, show me the baby popcorn again.
Baby popcorn.
I missed it. I didn't see you pour it or anything. That sucks. Best part. Butter up the baby popcorn.
So one of my favorite theaters, or screens I should say.
Because it's so big. You kind of can't even capture it on one. Yeah, it's like. Woo. Matt, come here. I called you Matt. That's weird. So you can be in my vlog. Hey, you guys. So we made it home. What did you think about the movie?
It was okay.
What are you talking about?
It was fun.
What are you talking about? The entire time you were like, it was good. It was so good. And then now you're like, no?
It was fun. It wasn't great. It was good. Not great.
I thought it was really cool. I thought it was fun. It was, at first when I saw like the beginning of it, I was like, oh shoot, this is going to be scary. And it was definitely like a cover your eyes. Like it was, what is it called? Like a slash, is it? Slasher? Like where there's like a lot of gutting and, you know, just very bloody. But nonetheless, it was so good. It was like very like sarcastic and
very rom-com.
Yeah, very rom-com at the same time.
More rom-com than you think it would be.
And then also they don't take trauma seriously because they just like, it was like something intense and then right after it'd be like, okay, anyways. But it was still really good. I really enjoyed it. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs. We're probably gonna go to bed because tomorrow we have an early morning, and we actually have a long day. I had told you all earlier that we may be going to the library, but I look extra shiny. It's okay. But I had told y'all we were gonna go to the library, but that's not gonna happen. We're actually going to the rodeo. So that's exciting. We're gonna go to the rodeo, and then, well, first church, then the rodeo, and then after that we come home. What time is the concert at?
Noon.
So the concert's right at noon? So we can explore the grounds after. Okay, because the rodeo, I don't know where y'all are from, but here in San Antonio, they obviously have the rodeo, and they have like an area where there's like food, like a bunch of, I'll just bring y'all tomorrow because there's a lot to see. There's like livestock. There's even shops, like people coming from out of town with like their small business. Well, sometimes not even small, like Cavender's is there. Like, I'll just show y'all tomorrow. But anyways, we're gonna head upstairs. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all very soon with another vlog. Love you guys.